Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video, I'd like to show you how to reset your oil maintenance light or oil change light on a 2016 through 2020 Honda Pilot. In this specific video, I'm using 2018 Honda Pilot EXL. But if I turn my ignition on, first what you want to do, turn ignition on, hit the button twice, don't start the car. You'll get a screen like this. It says maintenance due soon. So what you want to do, we're going to use these up and down arrows. So we're going to hit up one more time. Once that's going to show oil life 15%. There is set and reset button. You press and you hold it without letting the button go. And you just wait about 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, you're going to get a screen just like this. It says maintenance reset, cancel or reset. We're going to go back to these buttons here. We're going to hit arrow up. And you can see it switched over. And then we're going to hit reset and hold it. Bingo. As you can see, it reset it to 100%. Now it says oil life is 100%. Only perform this feature if you replace your motor oil and oil filter. Otherwise, that's how you reset oils or maintenance required light on a 2016 through 2020 Honda Pilot. Thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive.